Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Namaskar. In the session of Astrovastu, today's topic is Jupiter in 9th house. When I am saying Jupiter in 9th house, you should take it as Jupiter in Sagittarius sign as well. Now, people who have either Jupiter in 9th house or in the sign of Sagittarius, for them there is a special rule. The rule is, if Jupiter is in 9th house or in Sagittarius sign, you should have temple in northeast direction. That is the rule. Now, if someone following this rule, wow. But a lot of people may ask, a lot of calls I receive, and they say, I have Jupiter in 9th house or in Sagittarius sign, I have temple in northeast direction, which is again as per the rules, but still I am facing a lot of challenges in my career, in my health. The point is, if this is the rule, there is exception as well. And the exception is, in this scenario, if someone have Mercury in Lagna, which is another important point, Jupiter 9th house and Mercury in Lagna, there is a problem related to career, related to health. Now, if someone do not have this combination but still facing the same challenges, that means through Vastu of your house, you have created this combination in your house. That is why I always say, your birth chart and your house map or the Vastu of your house, if both are connected, and if the yoga which is not there in birth chart, and if you are creating those yoga from Vastu, you may get benefited or you may face lot of challenges. Lot of people do not know about it, they face challenges more. And some people who have very bad yoga, but because of some correction in their Vastu, they enhance their luck. That is the rule. Now the point is, if Jupiter is in 9th house and someone keeps Mercury related item in the east direction. Now, what is east direction? East direction is Lagna in the birth chart. Now, east direction means Mercury in east direction, and Mercury related items are 1. The plants, 2. The stationary items, correct? And big windows are also Mercury. If you have this combination in your birth chart and your house has either in the direction of east big window or plants or maybe a bookshelf, please remove it as early as possible, because Jupiter in 9th house or in Sagittarius sign is a Raj Yoga, and because of this, because you have created this in your house, you are actually killing your Raj Yoga. So for execution of your Raj Yoga, you need to correct your east zone. That is the beauty of Astrovastu. Okay. So please follow this rule and enhance your luck. Thank you. Namaskar.